No, this is ridiculous. What kind of job is this? Hi guys. Over the last few days, I got 2 phone calls from my fellow real estate agents working in my office. Both of these agents asked me, how is it possible I am so confident in my videos? And I get this question asked from my clients a lot. The thing that you might not know about me is I wasn't always like this. The one thing that I attribute this confidence is the fact that when I was a child, I used to participate in all kinds of theaters. I was a member of a local town theater group. We were traveling all around the county, doing spectacles and theatrical shows, and I always loved it, although I am an introvert and I used to be a very reserved and extremely shy person. The moment I was getting on stage, I was feeling like a fish in the water. I loved theater, especially the smell of the curtains, of this theatrical dust. If you have ever been to the theater, you know the special smell. My dream was always to become a theatrical actress, but I never wanted to be like a famous, award-winning actress. No, I told my mom that I would apply to a theatrical school. My mom told me, no, this is ridiculous. What kind of job is this? You speak English very well, you're gonna study English. So that's what happened. And when you look at my videos from the very beginning of my career, they're not so good because we always get better with practice, right? To be confident in the video, you have to be knowledgeable about the topic you're talking about. I love real estate. I sell a lot of real estate. This is my greatest passion. So I know what I'm talking about. I have gone through all the stages of a transaction from the seller's point of view, from a buyer's point of view, from an investor's point of view, because I invest in real estate as well. And second of all, you have to be yourself. I am myself. I love the camera. I would love to be an actress still.